Marshal your resources effectively with the scheduling tool. The scheduling tool within the Operations module of Business Cloud Essentials allows you to schedule your works orders at your leisure. As we can see, any outstanding works orders are listed under the works order ID number. We can refine this by the stuck item created or used, and also by the due but full date. This allows us to quickly and easily identify those works orders that we'd like to add to our schedule. Once added, the scheduler will pick which resources are used to make that particular bill of materials, and then begin to populate the schedule in the next available slot for that resource. It will also tell us what works order number this is, and what the current scheduled start and finish times are based on picking the next available slot. This saves you that time having to constantly find time in your schedule to fit these things in. If you do need to move things around though, that's absolutely fine. The system will proactively stop you from saving maybe a first process after a secondary process. So the system is intelligent enough to know what order these processes go in, and that order should not be disturbed. If you have multiple resources that can do the same job, you can very quickly and easily change the resource and move this particular process to another resource. The Gantt chart format of this particular scheduling tool makes this easy to notice what resource this has moved to, and just adds to the overall flexibility of the tool. The resource availability times are set up within the Resources tab, but if these need to be extended, all we need to do is actually extend the timing on that particular day. So if, for example, we're working overtime, that can very easily be catered for. And when you're happy with your schedule, all you need to do is save this, and it will save it for future reference. Marshal your resources more effectively with our interactive Gantt chart style scheduling tool. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you'd like any more information, please contact Advanced today.